Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Merry Christmas. I made this no soy sauce fried rice recipe for you and I hope you try it. Please check the description for ingredients. We are going to heat some oil to prepare the chicken. I'm using chicken breast. We are going to do same for the minced meat and we'll set aside with the chicken when it's done. Heat oil and add the vegetables, carrots, onions, green, yellow and red bell pepper. Add eggs and cover. Don't stir right after adding the eggs because you want to see chunks of eggs in your fried rice. So in about 45 seconds, you can open it and stir it. If this video is helpful and you're enjoying it, please subscribe. Add the chicken and minced beef and stir. There's going to be a lot of stirring and covering in this recipe. You're also going to add your onions. You stir it and then you cover it. Mix spices in a separate bowl, salt, all-purpose seasoning or any seasoning you like, stock cube, and I also used Maggi hot seasoning. I use this for stir-fry dishes. And then you're going to add warm water, you mix, and we'll add it to our stir fry. Add boiled rice and you stir. You add it in small quantity and then you stir. You can make this recipe with leftovers of your plain or white rice, and then you keep stirring and covering. Add some bay leaves for flavor and let it be on low heat for 3 to 5 minutes and serve. I'm serving with gizzard and fried plantain. I'll put the link in the description. The video is also linked to this video, so you can check out there. Thanks so much for watching. Did you enjoy this video? If you did, then please subscribe, like, share,